And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer iPhone 11 to iPhone 13 or 13 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your new iPhone and how to transfer all of the data from an older model, such as the iPhone 11. This process will work between any model of iPhones, so just follow along regardless of the model that you have. Usually, the proper way to transfer over all of your data, including your accounts, photos, videos, and so on, is going to be through the Hello screen. The Hello screen will present itself every single time that you power on a new iPhone that has never been used. If you went through this screen previously, then you will have to erase the data on the new iPhone. So go into the settings, find the transfer or reset iPhone options, and then choose the option over here at the bottom, erase all content and settings. As the name suggests, this will erase everything that you have done on the new iPhone so far, but it grants you access to the Hello screen once more. So the iPhone will restart, you will see the Hello screen, and now you can do it properly. So the important thing is that you have to use Quick Start and then use something like iCloud to restore your data. So for Quick Start, you just proceed and the iPhone is going to search for nearby devices. So all that you have to do is put your iPhone 11 in close proximity of your iPhone 13 or 13 Pro Max. And as long as they are on the same Wi-Fi network, they will be able to detect each other and give you this notification: set up new iPhone. If you don't see this immediately, then just proceed with the setup on the iPhone 13 until they ask you to do a software update. Perform the software update, and after that is concluded, then you are going to see set up new iPhone. All that you have to do is tap the continue option, and they are going to automatically transfer all of the necessary information between themselves. Now, to restore your apps and other data, such as photos, notes, reminders, and so on, you have to use these settings related to iCloud. So go over to the transfer your apps and data after you are done with the setup process, or usually this will appear during the setup itself. Then if you made a backup on iCloud prior to starting this, just choose the option, sign in with your ID, and you will be able to restore from iCloud. If you didn't make a backup, you can transfer from another iPhone or connect it to a PC and choose the options from there. So select whichever option you prefer according to what you have available, but it's important to always do the Quick Start on the Hello screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer iPhone 11 to iPhone 13 or 13 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.